What's up, my people? It is time for another video. I know I'm inconsistent and I'm sorry, and I know my lashes are so long. I was not aware of the longness of these lashes until I put them on. Now they're on, I've committed, I can't take them off, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. Today I have a very exciting video for you. As always, I'm sick. Still, I got some things going on my face, but we're gonna cover that up
because today is the first impression video of a foundation. Yeah.
Stop it. Get some help.
Anyways, guys, so I'm really excited to film this video today because I have found a foundation that is said to be the dupe of the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And if you guys have found me through one of my most popular videos, it is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Flawless Foundation Routine video that I made 4 years ago. Oh my god, 4 years ago. That's a long ass time. So I made a video 4 years ago talking about my favorite foundation, and that is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I've always come back to that foundation. It's a holy grail. It's my ride or die. It's the one that I know if I want a flawless finish, if I want my face looking snatched, I wear the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. But yesterday, to my surprise, there was a video that actually was uploaded by Holly Boone, one of the beauty gurus here on YouTube, of a Primark foundation that apparently is the dupe of the Estee Lauder foundation for only £6 or €6 in my case, but wherever you are. And that is the My Perfect Color Long Wear Ultimate Matte Foundation by Primark. There it is. I had to go pick it up and see if it does hold up to the test. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do half-half because I'm pretty sure that this color is definitely not the same color as the one I wear in my Estee Lauder. However, I'm kind of an expert when it comes to the Double Wear because I've worn it now for almost 5 years. So I definitely think I have a good idea of how well this is gonna look and if it's actually a dupe. The foundation is My Perfect Color Foundation. It's a long wear ultimate matte foundation. It has double coverage, it says here, that's new. Double coverage, matte finish, oil-free, SPF 15. Let's just talk about the shade range. There is none. It is like, I don't know, I was yesterday at my Primark. I think it really depends on what Primark you are, if you're gonna be able to find a shade that suits you. Primark does have darker shades, so I'm not gonna pull them up to that. They do have darker shades, and for being such an affordable brand, I think that's pretty great. However, I could not find my perfect shade. So the closest one I could find was Toffee. The rest were kind of pinky in tone, and Toffee was the one that I was like, okay, this is more close to like my color. Like I have a spray tan on right now that's obviously leaving my body, and I'm looking like I have some kind of skin issue. This is the closest one that I could find. It's Toffee. It's a nice warm brown, I was gonna say, warm color. Oh my god, these lashes are not my favorite. So let's just get into it. As I said, it's only $6 or €6, £6, I don't know. I know that there's a Primark in one state in the US, so if you do live near a Primark, maybe you can pick it up if you're an US citizen or US live. I don't know, I'm so tired. I have my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation in the color 2W2 Radon. It is a very, very yellow toned base, and I should probably not be using this, but I just love this color on me. It is in a glass bottle, and of course this one is also kind of in a glass bottle. They both look similar. They both don't have a pump. I mean, the Estee Lauder is obviously like nicer, but I'm just telling you, this is also glass. Like, Primark is not playing. So the Primark does not have a pump, just like the Estee Lauder. Oh my god, this is so dirty. I'm so sorry. This is like my 100th tube of this foundation. So this glass screw top looks great. Let's try to see how this color looks. I have actually not really swatched the color. I just kind of went off of the tube because obviously there's no testers. So that is right away I can see that it's a thicker formula than the Double Wear. The Double Wear is quite more runny, but this one is also quite runny actually, and that is dark. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but we're gonna try it. I'm gonna apply it the way I would apply my Estee Lauder, with a damp beauty sponge. So I'm just gonna go with this one. This is from Real Techniques, and we're just gonna go into it. Like, why are we wasting time? Zoom you all in. And let's ignore the fact that it's probably gonna be way too dark for me. Has a little bit of a scent, but it's not unpleasant. It's not like strong. And I'm putting it on the side of the face that needs the most help, so you guys can see how well it covers. I have no idea how this foundation is gonna do. I saw a quick look at Holly Boone's video, but I didn't finish it because I kind of want to have my own opinion. Do we want to zoom you guys in more? Okay, so good to where it is. So it's not like super full coverage from the start. It definitely evened out and it like blended out super nicely really quickly. So I'm just gonna go in. This is like a second layer. I just like to apply it right away, and we're just gonna see how full we can get this foundation. I mean, for being Primark, it's blending out very well. I mean, that's nice. That's really nice. Let's see how it covers my blemish right on top of here. Like, why do you get a blemish right here? Okay, so first impression, blended out super well. And I mean, it looks good. Like, it looks real good, and it looks matte for sure. And it feels like it's really blended into my skin. Like, it doesn't feel like it's lying on top of my skin, and like, that's nice. It hasn't dried down yet. It's still pretty tacky. So let's go in here, zoomed in. Oh my god, that color difference though. Girl. So we're just gonna pounce. The reason I like to apply these full coverage foundations with a brush or with a sponge is because obviously it keeps it from looking cakey. And that's one thing with the double wear. I love that thing to death, but sometimes it just does look a little heavy on me. But it's still something, like, I don't mind. I mean, that is nice. Like, not even comparing it to the double wear, that's just a nice foundation. Like, it looks hella nice. Like, I don't know about the color though. Like, the color, do not oxidize. Whatever you do, foundation, don't. I don't know, like, I don't know how to feel about it. Like, I don't love it as much as I love the double wear. That's for sure. I'm gonna blend this the heck down to my neck. But it does have the similar feel, I have to say. Like, when you put on the double wear, it doesn't feel like you're wearing anything on your skin, but it still covers super well. And I have the same feeling with this. Like, it does not feel heavy at all. And it does cover very well. I'm gonna zoom you guys in to get the full demo. I mean, you can still see my scarring, which is fine to me. Like, it's probably more of a medium. It's definitely not double coverage, but it's probably medium to full. Like, I tried to build it up and it didn't go further than this with 2 layers, so I think that's okay. It looks really nice, I must say, on camera. I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup and I will be back to do a quick update before I like go out and do my thing, and I will like check in with you guys whenever I have time. So I'm not sure when that's gonna be, but we'll see how many times, how long it takes me to check up. Color, ew, but we'll see if we can fix it. So I'll be right back with the full face. And we're looking a little bit more okay, looking better, because I brought down my concealer a little bit lower today just so that I don't look as orange, and I think it worked out pretty well, guys. I have to say, I'm very impressed by the foundation. It's looking fabulous, and all my products blended out so well on top of it, and it's not looking too cakey. Everything went on so nice. Like, I just feel so blended, and I feel like, I don't know if you guys have ever had those matte foundations that are like so matte that you can just feel that they're matte. I feel like this is not gonna move anywhere, so I'm hoping that not all of a sudden this foundation starts like coagulating and starts producing oils that doesn't exist, because right now it's looking, I keep looking in the mirror because it's there, but it's looking and feeling wonderful. I'll see you guys in my next update. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm doing my final update. Unfortunately, the sun is going down and my beauty light is not working, so I'm gonna have to try to film this update in this lighting. Anna is here. Hello. And I can ask her what she thinks as well.
You can't even like see me.
Let's see. So this is after, what time is it?
It's almost 7.
Okay, so I put this on at 1, so that's like 6 hours, 7 hours. it's looking...
It looks fresh.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
It doesn't look...
I love the commentary in the back. Looks fresh. I mean, it doesn't look cakey. It's stayed on. I've been out in the rain, so I think that's pretty good. And my highlighter is still looking good. And it still looks pretty intact after 7 hours. I'm pretty impressed. What do you think? Does it look nice?
I like it.
She likes it.
Also, I don't know anything about makeup. So.
Do you want to...
Don't have that.
Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. I might write down another update after I warn this in the description bar below. So, so far so good. I really like it. And for €6, I think that's pretty good. And Primark. I guess if you think about the fact that the reason Estee Lauder Double Wear is so expensive is because it actually has skincare benefits. Usually they add skincare, and that's why they make it so expensive. So if you want something that's actually really, really good for your skin, then Estee Lauder Double Wear is probably your best option. But if you want something on like a daily basis where you don't want to be wasting your Estee Lauder Double Wear and your more expensive foundation, this is a good option for like whenever you need to throw something on and you don't want to use something expensive, basically. I'll see you guys in my next video.